How to install SketchUp in your Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first launch your preferred browser. After that, search for SketchUp web and download. Now go to the official site and then from here you will be able to start modeling. So go to explore our desktop app, and as you can see, SketchUp for desktop is a pro version. So simply tap on Go Pro and then enter your payment details after selecting your package, and you will be able to install it in your desktop. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.